Hello everyone, we are going to learn about how to clear data from Excel. Okay, there is a different way we clear. Sometimes we want only table. Okay, sometimes we want to clear all content. Sometimes we want to clear all format. Sometimes we want clear on comments. Okay, this is my data. See, I want to clear first comment. Okay, just select the full data. Okay, then here you can see the editing. In editing you can get the option clear. Just click on the clear. You can see the different option: clear formats, clear content, clear comments. I want to clear the comments. Okay, then click on the clear comments. You can see here the comment is clear. Okay, and then I want to clear format. Just click on clear formats. You can see here clear full format. Okay. Then I want to click on clear content. You can see here clear all content. That's it. Thank you.